Scrappers. We got a lawnmower here, man. Where can we... Over here, I think. Yo. Maybe there. Right there. It's a cheaper one. The cord is a bit... How you going? I'll leave this. Oh! It won't roll. That's a low rider. What's going on? Okay, ready, steady, go! Oh yeah. That's good. Oh, I got all this. Over here. Yes. Empty. Empty. What's that? That's interesting. Oh, it's like a bowl. I'll bring. Toolboxes. Oh, we got it. It's in here. Empty boxes. This one. Oh, look at that. We have one of these. Wind Touch. Never heard of Wind Touch. And PlayStation 2. Okay, this looks a bit funny. I'll check it out later. What is this? Oh, what is this? Okay. Come here. That too. These are all empty. Oh, that's empty. What is this? These might be good. We'll check it out later. All of you in. Lovely. I think that is it. Let's go. Oh, scrappers. Look at this. Alloy rims, man. This is 17 inch. Oh, that's gross. A PC? PC there too, man. Let's go. Come on. I'm pretty lucky with these, bro. Alloy rims. Look at that. Okay. It's just balancing on it. It's okay. It's okay. The RAM is 256. There's this here. Do we want this? Have a better look at it. Hold on. Yeah. PC. Right there. And gurney. Oh, it's messed up. Messed up. Get it from this angle. I might as well put this down. Oh. Yep. Okay, that's better. Come on, man. Let's go.